How to send media files on Signal. Open the Signal private messenger app on your phone. Ready to share photos, videos, and more securely. Tap on the contact you want to send media to. Don't have a chat yet? Tap on the pencil icon to start a new one. In the chat window, tap the plus icon or paperclip next to the text field. This opens the media option. You can select photos, videos, document, or even voice message. Tap the one you want to send quick. Quick tip. You can select multiple files at once. After selecting your media, tap send the arrow button and boom, your files are on their way securely. And before sending, you can also add a caption, crop photos, or trim videos. Make your message fun and personalized. And that's it. Sending media on Signal is fast, easy, and completely secure. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friend so they can send files safely too. Happy chatting and thank you for watching.